Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm sure you already know what we're going to be doing, so let's just get into the video because it's pretty much simple. So the first thing you're going to do is to move on to your YouTube folder. All right, I kind of recommend this app because this app is so good. It's so simple to use, and it gives you a breakdown of whatever is going on your channel, your subscriber change, your watch time, your views, how much money you've got, or how much money you're making, and all of that. So yeah, then you click on the YouTube Studio app. It's gonna take you down to this page, and then you click on more, like more of your videos. Click on more of your videos. All right, so these are all my videos right here. So I'm gonna go ahead to click on which one, this one. Yeah, then you click on this pencil sign, this pencil. Yeah, then you click on this pencil here too. Right, then he's gonna take you down here. All right, YouTube already have a suggestion for you. Okay, 3 suggestions for you, but if you don't want that, you can click on change. Click on change, and then it's gonna take you to your it's gonna take you down to your gallery, and then you're gonna choose what you want. So as you go ahead to choose this one, right, and then you click on select. You click on save, and your thumbnail is saved. That's just it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.